Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you have been having a fabulous weekend. I am very excited. I am not one of the first, but I did finally get my FabFitFun. I think my box looks a little different. I saw a lot of people have like the yellow boxes. Mine is blue. Look how cute the design is though. Very spring. There's like some cacti and flowers and stuff on there. I like the blue actually. If somehow you do not know, which I'm guessing you do know about FabFitFun, because if you watch YouTube at all, at least for me, it is every freaking ad. They are advertising the shit out of this box, excuse my language, but for a good reason. I mean, I think it's totally worth it. So FabFitFun, you get like over $300 worth of stuff and you pay only $49.99. If it's your very first box, there's a million zillion codes going around to get $10 off. I will leave some down below that I find. I think like Fab10 is one of them. So you can get your first box for like $40. So super awesome. You get a bunch of lifestyle products in this box. I do know a few things that are coming in mine. When you subscribe, you are able to customize a few items. If you subscribe annually, meaning you pay it all at once for a year, then you can even select more items. So the majority of the items will be a surprise, and some will be known. So I am going to get some scissors and let's get unboxing. First, I need some coffee. Am I the only person that had no clue today was a daylight savings time or whatever? Like, I was so tired. My Fitbit told me I only slept like a certain amount of hours and I thought I like set my alarm to get a full 8. No, how out of the loop am I? Like, usually that's pretty well known and advertised. I had no clue. So I'm needing a little bit of extra coffee today. Whoa. This box is seriously huge. So when I open it, this is what it looks like. Try and open this all the way so it's not like blocking the camera. This thing is huge. So on top there's a magazine. Each season you do get a little magazine like this. It looks like, is this Serena Williams, or this is Venus Williams on the cover. And in this you will get like, well first you'll get a list of all the items and their prices. So I will use this to add up the total at the end. And then you also get like different articles on how to use your new goodies and stuff like that. So it's pretty awesome. I love magazines personally, so I actually do read this and I like it. So I'm gonna keep this out as reference so we can look at pricing as we go along and talk about what the other options are. Okay, and then there's a HelloFresh like $50 off card. I feel like this comes in so many boxes, so if you ever want to try a meal service, like there's codes out there, make sure you use one. So yeah, this is $50, so you get 25 off your first 2 deliveries. So when you use this, you have to commit to 2 deliveries, I guess. I have been thinking about using a meal planner thing, but not right now. There is so much stuff. All right, so I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see, which I did not expect. I don't even know if this is a necklace or a bracelet or what. I think it's a necklace. I'll take it out of the plastic packaging so you could see it. This is pretty. It's by the 2 Bandits. So this must be a variation item, I think. I don't know. I had no idea. I haven't seen anyone get this that I've been watching. I've only watched a few videos though, to be honest. This is so pretty. There's like a little stone. This is made in San Francisco. Let me read about it. So this is the 2 Bandits Athens necklace, a simple yet elegant and iridescent necklace that is a timeless piece to add to your collection. It is $30. Wow, that's expensive, but that is so pretty. Can you guys see the stone? I feel like since it's white, it might be harder to see that, but that's super pretty. Okay, so people I saw open this got one of the other variations. So you could have gotten like a Swell bottle, like a reusable drinking bottle, or you could have gotten the Ciate London translucent setting powder. I didn't even realize this was one of the other options. I thought it was just the 2, so I'm okay with this. I would have been happy with all 3 to be honest, so that was one category I was okay with. So the Ciate London powder would have been $22, and the Swell bottle, the Sip by Swell, would be $19.99. So I actually got the most expensive thing out of it. So it says a tip on there too. It says avoid spraying perfume or getting in water while wearing the necklace. And I think that's true of all jewelry. You want to spray your perfume on beforehand. All right, what next? Okay, I think This is another variant product. So this is the Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. This thing is huge. Head test, look at this. 200 mLs. This probiotic gel-based cleanser removes dirt, impurities, and makeup gently and effectively. Skin is left balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. This is awesome. I've used stuff from this brand before and I liked it. Right now I'm trying to test out the cleanser I got in BoxyCharm last month. And it's okay. It's like just a gentle cleanser. So I'm ready to move on to something else. And that was a lot smaller than this. This is huge. Let's read about it. Oh good, I'm glad I got this out of the 3 options. So this, like I said, is the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. This isn't an ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. And it has a retail value of $28. And it says, tip, massage the cleanser onto wet skin in small circular motions, then rinse. So if I didn't get this, I could have either gotten a detox brush or a jump rope, and I really didn't want a jump rope. I actually own one already and I never use it. I mean, I'm trying to work out more and I definitely need to lose weight. I've gotten pudgy, but I just know I wouldn't have used that, especially since I already have one that I don't use. So I'm glad I got this. So yeah, awesome. So far I am very happy. The next thing I see is something I think I actually chose. This is one of the customizable options for seasonal members. This is the Levito Inspired by Nature Mandarin Orange and Bergamot Body Lotion. This is what the packaging looks like. It's pretty cute. There's the back if you care about pausing and looking at any ingredients. So this says, hydrate, nourish, and protect. This deliciously scented citrus body lotion is dermatologically tested and formulated for all skin types and has a retail value of $19. So I could have chosen either measuring spoons or a mystery item instead, but I chose this because I use body creams and lotions every single day and I know I would use this, and I wasn't sure what the mystery item would be, and I already have measuring spoons, so this just made the most sense for me. So let's try it out. So there is a safety seal. It smells good. It's not like overly fragrant. It's like just the right amount. It smells very good. I'm so glad I picked this. I'm very happy with this box. Awesome. The next thing I see, I believe these are the sunglasses. So this is another item I chose myself. There's 2 different sunglasses you could have selected, or you could have selected a Sunny Life Lovers picnic set. So it came with like some plates and silverware for a picnic, and I just really don't picnic. I mean, the idea sounds cute and stuff, but bugs, ew. Or you could have gotten the Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. So I chose this, and I think these are like the cat eye ones. Let's see what they look like. If they're cute, I'm gonna wear them. I'm about to go out to lunch. I feel like every time I'm filming, I like seem like I have this like crazy fun life, but really, but I'm going out to lunch today. So this is what they look like. Oh gosh, sorry, you can see my ring light. How do I look? Oh my god, the ring light makes it look crazy. You can see it in both of them. Let me grab my little cat mirror. I think I like them. Maybe I love them. I have a pretty big head, so sometimes I feel like the glasses aren't like wide enough. Like you could still like see like the side of my face, you know, but these are like fit perfect actually, and they're like lightweight, they're not heavy. Sometimes like it just gets annoying when you wear sunglasses for a while on your nose area, like right here. Sorry about the light, maybe if I look this way it looks better, but I like these a lot. I'm gonna take the tag off and wear these today. So awesome. This box is so good for such cheap money. Let's see how much this costs. These are $55. So these are more than the freaking box. Like, wow. So it says these are the Quay Australia My Girl in Black Smoke with black hardware, chic metal accents and oversized frame. These cat eye sunnies can be rocked by any gal. Tip, style these with a high ponytail to emphasize the sharp cat eye shape. Well, I actually used a blow dryer today and stuff, so I'm gonna keep this on. I'm gonna keep my hair down. I like that it comes with a case too, that's nice. Next thing I see, oh I know, this is another item I chose for myself. I'm assuming this is it. Like this is like a backpack, let's see. making all this noise and no cats are around, which makes me suggest they are up to no good. They might just be napping outside, but... So there is a duster bag. Ooh, this is cute. I didn't really know what to expect. It's like canvas material with faux leather. I really have wanted a backpack like this. I just think it'd be so easy, like when you're on the go, you can have both your hands free and everything like that and your arms free. So this is what it looks like in the front. And then this is it in the back. Let's see there's like a little clasp in the front, and then inside there's like some care instructions. There's a little pocket. That is what the inside looks like. So this is awesome. I'm excited to use this. I don't think I'll use it today. I have so many bags now, like between like Balzano, and I think I'm trying out a new handbag subscription in the future too, just so you guys know, a little sneak peek. I don't know when that'll be, but hopefully soon. But yeah, I like this. Let's see how much this costs. This is $75. Crazy. This is the Dulux Demi backpack. Keep your belongings safe and snug in your cutest canvas backpack. It features adjustable straps, a top handle, and a post closure, making it the perfect bag for all spring travels. Tip, check out page 25 to see how members styled their bags. So there's like style tips in it too, so cool. Set that down. Next thing I see, this is heavy. Oh, I think this is a body scrub. Let's see. This is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub. It's an exfoliant. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. So this is what the outside looks like. I love body scrubs. I love to exfoliate before I shave. I think you get a closer shave, so this is going to be really useful for that. There is a huge safety seal on this, which is good. I just want to get a sniff of it. I think it's like rose, or no, like champagne. I love some bubbly. Oh my god, maybe I'll get like a mimosa when I go out for brunch. I need to stop talking about booze all the time. I think I just seem like I'm just like a partier. I wish. I just like poke some holes with my scissors because I could not get the safety seal out, but I could get the scent right away. I like how it smells. And this is big. This will last a while. So I'm excited about this. I love stuff like this. I love getting like stuff like FabFitFun gives you stuff you'll actually use in life. You know, that is what one like awesome thing about this subscription. Where is this? Where is this? So yeah, this is something everyone gets. It is $24. This is the Mana Kadar. Oh, I've tried their makeup before. I didn't know they did skincare. Their Champagne Body Scrub. It says formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. The Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. It's $24. It says apply evenly onto the body while gently massaging the skin, then rinse. Awesome. Excited about that. And then the next thing, this is something I have tried before. This is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. And I still have one of these. My mom really likes it, and I think she's almost out of her, so I am going to send this to her in a package. This is what the packaging looks like. Some of you who get BoxyCharm may have received this in the past. So this is $42. So this is high value. So we all got this one. It says visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. It says tip, don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to correct dark circles. Use your ring finger to pat a pea-sized amount directly under your eyes. So yeah, this does work pretty well. I forgot to reach for it a lot. My mom loves it, like I said, so I'm glad I can give this to her. Alright, and next, and I think it's the last, we'll see. This is the Quay Haircare Leave-In Conditioner, and I have received sample sizes of this before, and I love the scent of Quay products. And it works well too, so I'm very excited to get this. I have a few hair conditioners, but I actually use them every day, so I do go through them, so I'll get to this pretty soon. This is $26. It says, we're way obsessed with this, pun on wearing, it's cute. We're way obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturized properties and enhance heat protection. Oh, I see a cat. I mean, my FabFitFun came like in an even bigger box because I got an add-on, so I'll show you that in a moment, but she's just found that box. I just cleaned this room last night, and it's already a disaster. So yeah, awesome. Excited about this. When I first started using this brand, I pronounced the name so wrong. Like if you look at it, it's like all vowels, O-U-A-I, and I was like, Uai, but it's way. I'm pretty positive. So let me just double check there's nothing else in here. Nope, that is it. So I am going to put this huge box on the floor, and I'll show you the add-on I got. It's nothing crazy special, it's just something I actually needed. So if you don't know FabFitFun, before they charge you for the box, they have this thing called the Addon Shop, and if you're an annual member, you get access to it first, and they have so many good things at a great deal. Like you can get like 80% off some things, but they go really fast, and I am a seasonal subscriber, so that means I just pay $49.99 like every season instead of just paying once a year, so I don't get access to a little bit later, and a lot of things I wanted were sold out, but I did find something I needed and wanted. So this is the Let's Sail Away set of 4 highball glasses. These are just like some drinking glasses, and look at this, like matches the Riviera palette. So there's like kind of nautical themed like drinking glasses. I only have a couple, so I figured I could use some more. And they're super cute. I'll just take one out. And I think they're like cute for Florida too. So there's this like little sail thing, anchor, I guess I should say. Just, they're kind of small, but they're like, you know, good for a cocktail or some water. So yeah, I added those on. I think I got them at a great deal. I think I got a set of 4 for like $17. I can't remember what they originally were, but I think closer to like 50 or something like that. So yeah, FabFitFun has a lot of deals on their website too, which is another perk. So yeah, so that is everything overall. Hell yeah, this is great. So let me grab my calculator / phone and add up the total of my box. All right, so the total of my box is like just around $300. It's $299 and I paid $50, so that is awesome. And honestly, I'm gonna use all of it but one item, and that item I'm gifting to my mom just because I already have it and I do like it. So if I needed it, I would use it, you know, like, but I have one, so, and I feel like gifting is also a use, so I'm gonna use everything in here. I'm so excited. So this was a great month. Let me know, what did you guys get? Because I know a lot of you guys have already gotten your boxes. What were your variant items? Like I know some people, I didn't mention when I was talking about the backpack, the other items were either a robe, which is really cute, or there was like a oil diffuser. I've heard some things that the oil diffuser was leaking on some people. So let me know, did that happen to you, or what did you guys choose? Did you choose anything different than me? Is anyone a box twin? I haven't seen anyone that was the exact box as me yet. But honestly, I haven't binged too many videos yet, so I'll have to do that later today. But quick before I go, today my eye look is kind of basic with my Riviera palette, which by the way, I keep forgetting to mention in the beginning of my videos. I am giving away a Riviera palette, the new ABH palette, and it ends on the 20th, my giveaway. So I will leave that video link down below if you are interested in entering. Until that giveaway is over, I am trying out this palette every day and talking about it at the end of my videos. Just so I can kind of give more of a review and try out all the shades and all of that. So since I'm going out to lunch, it's really early in the day. I didn't do anything too crazy. It's kind of similar to the look I did the very first day when I got this, and so the look in my giveaway video. So I used Estate and Coastline in my crease, so these 2 shades right here, and then I used Yacht all over my lid. I love that shade. And I put a little Yacht on my lower lash line as well, and then I used a little bit of like nude liner on my waterline and some mascara. It's good to go, so hopefully it looks okay. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I love opening FabFitFun. I hope you enjoyed watching me open it. But anyways, I have a pile of boxes next to me, so look forward to some new boxes, some old boxes, a bunch of stuff is coming soon, so I will see you tomorrow. Bye!